Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about functions. We've actually used functions before, and we've created one function on our own, this public void start here. Void means the function doesn't return anything, we'll get back to that later, and start is what the function's called, it's called start. So we could easily make a new function to do something different. For example, public void turn right. Now what can we do to turn right? Well, we can make Robbie turn left 3 times. So we can go Robbie.turn left, Robbie.turn left, Robbie.turn left. So all this is doing is we've made a new function called turn right that makes the robot turn left 3 times, because 3 lefts make it right. So now we can use this function just like any other command. We can say turn right. For example, so if we run this, what it should do, yes, I want to save, is it should turn left 3 times. So the robot was facing up, but now it's facing right. There are a few other things functions can do too. Functions can accept parameters. For example, we could say public void turn int times, and then we could just do a loop here for x equals 0, x is smaller than times, x plus plus, we got turn left. So what this is doing is, we give this function an integer, a number. This function calls it times, and then we can use this new times parameter inside the body of our function just like it's variable. So we could do something like int times equals 0, but Java does that for us when we pass in a parameter. So now what we could do is we could say turn 6. And this should make Robbie turn left 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can see it did just that. Now how did that work? Well, we passed in a 6 here, and remember, Java adds a line, so in this case it would go something like int times equals 6. Java does that for you when you pass in a parameter. So then we said for int x equals 0, x is smaller than, and while this is times, in this case it was actually 6, x plus plus, so it turned left 6 times. Now functions can also do what's called returning values, which is giving something back. So this void means return nothing. That's why we haven't done any returning so far in our functions. But we could easily go public int double it, and we can say int num. Now what this means is int is give back an integer. So we can do whatever we want inside our function, but at the very end it needs to give back an integer. So we could say, for example, return num times 2. So in this case, return basically means give back the number that we passed in times 2. So what we could do is we could say turn double it 3. Now this should turn 6 times because double 3 is 6. Let's see if it does that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, the robot still turns left 6 times because what we do is we give 3 to our double it function, which returns 6 back, and then we turn 6 times. Now, it's important to know that a lot of what we've been doing already has been functions. For example, we could go system.out.println 6. System.out.println is a function, and it does something special. It prints something out to the console. Everything we've been doing, all of our Robbie.turn left, all of our Robbie.move, even our if Robbie.any beepers in beeper bag, we're using functions for all of these. And if we can write our own functions, we can create our own commands for Robbie and anything else we're doing in a program. I hope this helps you write programs a lot more easily. Thank you.